slime with just conditioner? Well, in today's video, I'll show you guys just that. But first, the hashtag notification squad from last week's video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of conditioner. You guys will need a thicker shampoo or body wash, a bowler plate to make your slime in, and last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. I just noticed that that bowl was dirty, so here is a new one. So all you guys have to do for this recipe is you're going to add your conditioner into your bowler plate. And then you're going to add your thicker body wash or shampoo. I'm just using this Garnier shampoo, and it's actually really thick for no-glue slimes. And all you have to do is you're going to mix it up. So I'm going to mix it for about 1 to 2 minutes. And you can see it's already getting thickened. Okay, that's just enough mixing, and I'm also going to add some purple food coloring to make it like a Halloween slime. I love purple. Okay, and that is mixed just enough, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it, mix it up, make sure it's working. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done, and leave it into the fridge for only 2 hours. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, it's been about 2 hours, and I added more food coloring into here, and I love this purple color. It's so pretty. And I also added more soap. But here is the no glue slime, and it turned out so awesome. It's kind of sticky a little bit, but I love the color. I can't get over it, and it smells just like conditioner because it's conditioner slime and it smells really good. I just love the color. I can't get over it. Look how pretty it is. It's sticky though. It's actually very sticky, so I think I might put it back into the refrigerator after this, but it turned out awesome, and it's super quick and easy how to make this no glue conditioner slime. I haven't done a no glue conditioner slime recipe in so long, so I'm so happy that you guys like this recipe. If you do, if you don't, put it in the comments down below as well. And if this recipe worked for you, put it in the comments down below. And if it didn't work for you, put it in the comments as well. I will respond back to you guys and give you some helpful ways on how to make this no glue slime recipe work. But this was a huge win-win for me. It turned out great, and I love the color, and it's super quick and easy to make. Only 2 ingredients, and you probably have these in your house: conditioner and shampoo. But yeah, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye.